Body to the DTI Cooking Show presenting Inna today. Lena. These two contestants are going to be making candy stew.
In order to make this candy stew, some of the ingredients I'm gonna be using is an green apple and some chocolate and vanilla swirl ice cream. It's going to be very, very amazing. Okay.
Mixing it up with her bare hands.
What's that?
No idea what I'm gonna make candies do. I've never made this before. Wait a minute, I have an idea. And the human meat mystery drink. This will totally be so preppy. Oh my gosh. It's done. I'm going to eat this up because Alana literally sucks at everything. Especially her nail job. I should get that job back. And in my free time when I was a nail tech, used to cook. So like I'm gonna be like so much better than her. Oh my God.
I did it, and oh my gosh, even the bowl is preppy. This is gonna be so much better than Lena's.
Finally done cooking their stews. Let's try them first. I got Lana's here and let's eat it. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad as let's try hers. Oh, okay. This is, it's gonna be hard. One very considerable consideration by the judges. AKA me, I have now declared the winner. The winner of this cheap Amazon trophy that I found for $2. And the clearance section on the website goes to Lana.
Oh my God, I would like to say thanks to my specialty cooking and for getting my nail job. Tech back, this is amazing. In your face, Lena.
Get over here.